Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about Grignard reagent, its reactions, its nature of the Grignard reagent. Okay. In my last video, I have discussed about the reactions of Grignard reagent, preparations of Grignard reagent, how it is prepared. Here, I am going to discuss about the nature of the Grignard reagent. See, Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent, you have to know the formula first. First main thing is you have to know the formula. Once you know the formula, you will know what it contains. In the Grignard reagent, it contains alkyl group. It contains a metal, that is magnesium only. It will be fixed always. Magnesium will be fixed. So magnesium, then halides. So halides here can be chlorine or bromine. Okay, most of the time we will find chlorine and bromine. Now, so we know it now. What are the contents? What is present in the Grignard reagent? Now, again, by knowing the knowledge of or having the idea of the nature of your alkyl group and also the halogen group, so this will make us to understand the reactions easy. So let us know it. So R, Mg, X. So when we say nature, we always talk about which one is partially positive, which one is partially negative. So here, see, one of the most easiest way to remember which one is positive and negative in nature is that let us first see magnesium. Magnesium is a metal and metal has always electropositive in nature. Magnesium atomic number is what? 12. Its electronic configuration is 2.8.2. That means its valency is plus 2. Its valency is plus 2. So plus 2 means del plus plus. So this 2 plus, one of the plus will be satisfied or will be neutralized by minus and the other plus will be neutralized by your R group. So now this carbon, the nature of this carbon is partially negative. Okay, so partially negative. Now this R is not carbocation, this carbanion or carbanion. Okay, now this R will behave as negative in charge. Okay, so see, this will make reaction easy. By understanding the nature of the Grignard reagent bond, the bonding among them will help us to learn the reaction in an easy way. So let me start with the Grignard reagent. Any Grignard reagent, let us take R. R is your alkyl group, so I have taken here methyl. Only one carbon, so methyl. So magnesium is always fixed. Okay, so then halide, let us take chlorine. Okay, Cl, chloride, minus. If it is minus, see chlorine, this is called chloride. Negative charge is called chloride. Cl2, this is called your chlorine. Okay, this chlorine and this is CHLO or right, chloride. So now we know it. This is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Now Grignard reagent is very reactive in the presence of any proton source like H2O or NH3. Okay, or any other proton sources. These Grignard reagents will cleave into what part? See, organo means carbon, magnesium is metal, so in this part it will break. Okay, the cleavage or the breakage will be in this part, carbon metallic bond, then carbon magnesium bond or organo metallic bond. So it will break into two parts here. So this CH3, as it is negative and as it, okay, now this water, we will see always water in this form, H2O. So this will be your del minus and this will be your del plus. Okay, always see in the reaction water in this form. So now this carbon being negative will always try to attract this positive. So CH3, initially it is CH3, now it will change into CH3 bond C. Okay, or you can just simply write CH4 directly once you are clear with the reactions. Now what is remaining? Remaining is what? Magnesium. Okay, so what is remaining from water? This part is remaining. This has utilized here. So magnesium has OH has remained. So OH Cl. So this is our reactions of Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent being very reactive in presence of moisture or in presence of active proton group. Okay. So it will give into hydrocarbon. So this is one of the method of preparation of hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon can be also prepared from, is also one of the method that can be prepared from the Grignard reagent. Okay, so now see, you have practiced with one, you can practice with numbers. You can make your own reactions in numbers of reaction. So you can change your alkyl group. I can change it in this form, CH3 twice C, but you should balance the carbon. This carbon has how many valency? 4. So 1 2, okay, 3 with this magnesium Cl. So you can, once you have the idea of making the formula, okay, knowing the valency, you can make. Carbon has 4 valency, so it is already 2 valence. 2 has already valence. 3 with this magnesium 4. Okay, so 4 valency. Now if I put here H2, say you separate your carbon part. The carbon part you separate it, CH3 twice CH. Okay, originally it has initially H, but one extra H will come, so CH2. So this is our product. What is the side product? CH MgOH Cl. So in this way we can not only with the open chain compounds, we can also do with the cyclo compounds. So MgCl. So there is bond. Okay, there is bonding between these two. It's not that I have not shown bond, so there is no bonding. It's not like that. There is bonding. Okay, so H2O, same thing, very simple. You separate your carbon part. So these are carbon part, but in this case it is in the form of ring. In this case it is in the form of ring. So this part has done. Our main concept is from here it will release one of the hydrogen. So MgC. Okay, hydrogen. So benzene, not benzene, this is cyclohexane. Okay, cyclo, there is no alternate pi bonds, so this is your cyclohexane. What is remaining? MgOHCl. So in this way you can change your R and you can make a numbers of reaction by your own once you know it. CH2. So we have met it. Alkyl, this ethyl. Okay, this is your ethyl chloride. Okay, CHLORID chloride. And let us start H2O. Okay, so what we have to, I have told you that just separate your carbon part, CH2. Okay, exactly what it is. One extra proton will be, hydrogen will be from this water. So or you can directly write CH3. Once you know the reaction properly, you will know how to write it also. Okay, so these are reactions of Grignard reagent, which is very important. Knowing of the Grignard reagent is very important because in most of the reactions, in aldehyde ketones chapters, in many of the chapters, this will be repeated. So this is the reactions of what? Grignard reagent, and it is one of the reaction from the alkyl halide. There is haloalkanes and haloarenes of your class 12. Okay, so by doing you can practice the numbers of reaction by just changing your R. Okay, but remember that the carbon should have 4 valency.